Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the way how you can blur your face on your picture in aesthetic way with PicsArt application. First, you just need to open your PicsArt application on your phone. You can do it with your phone. It's quite simple and easy and super fast. Wait until the PicsArt application is open. The next thing you need to do is just tap into this plus button and then pick the picture that you want to edit. And here I already got this picture, and let's just make the blur aesthetic only on the face and left the rest being clean. So you just need to take a look on this bottom feature and then go click effects. In this effect, you just need to jump into this blur section, and you just need to pick the blur sections or the blur type of effects that you want to get. And today I will let to go click this radial blur because it's quite great. And then the next thing you need to do is just go adjusting where do you want to place or keep the clean area to be. The next thing you need to do is just go take a look on the top side and just go click this icon. Now we just need to go tap into face, and then the AI technology on the PicsArt will keep the face only, and you'll see that the rest of the picture is clean while the face on this picture is become blurred, but it's also look aesthetic. The next thing you need to do is just go click this checklist button up here. Now, if you want to adjusting the blur, you just need to go tap into this effects again and then adjusting the intensity of the blur that you want to get. You can make it super blur, and you can also make it less blur. The next thing you need to do is just go tap into apply and download this picture, and you are done. That's for this tutorial. It's quite simple and easy, and let's meet again into other tutorial.